Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks steadied in quiet trade as flight cancellations over Christmas revived concerns that the Omicron virus variant could slow down the economy heading into the new year. Ethereum is heading into a new era as the foundation of the same name announces its public Kintsugi merged testnet and starts its extremely anticipated update. Chinese authorities have granted SK hynix merger clearances for its acquisition of Intel's NAND memory and storage unit with conditions, a move that could help strengthen China's push for semiconductor localization.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1400 GMT. The U.S. Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. The U.S. 52-week bill auction at 1630 GMT. The U.S. 5-year note auction will be released at 1800 GMT. Spain's retail sales at 0800 GMT. Hong Kong's retail sales at 0830 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.